In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to calculate Forex lot size perfectly, so you can enter a trade in seconds. Your trading will change from going into various lot calculation sites to entering a position with just 3 clicks. How does work? You don't need to have 2 medals at the Math Olympiad, just use a trade manager. In this video, we will go through a few simple steps on how to install your trade manager completely free. Yes, it is completely free. The other thing is that this software can also be used for prop firms, which is very important for calculating risk in a trade, especially with their strict rules. Let's get started. Okay guys, we are exactly at my computer. Type in your browser earn Forex, searching for the first link, earn Forex, or should be earnforex.com. We are looking for software right here, and you need to choose MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 Expert Advisors. After this, you should go to the middle and search for Position Sizer. As you can see, the rating is 10 out of 10. Click on Position Sizer. Then there is a very detailed description of the entire software. Everyone can read it, and I recommend to read it, especially if you're a beginner. But I'm not gonna read it, so of the table of contents, I'm going to downloads. And after this, I have to choose MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I personally use MetaTrader 5, so I will download MetaTrader 5. Just go to downloads, save, and waiting to see. Then go to the downloads, right click, extract all, extract. Just waiting a few seconds, and here you go. You have a position sizer, okay? This software works perfectly on both PC and Mac iOS, so don't worry if you're using something other than Windows. The next step is launch your MetaTrader 5 platform. After this, go to File, go to Open Data folder. After this, you're searching for MQL5. After this, Experts, and you have to go to Downloads, copy the Control-C, and paste this on exactly MetaQuotes terminal. So after this, you have to close, go to Tools, MetaQuotes Language Editor, go to Experts, Position Sizer, one more time, and you're searching for Position Sizer.mq5. So double click on it, and you will see one code. I don't understand codes, but the thing that you have to do here is just click compile, and after this you will see generating code. Yeah, 95%. If you're looking for a broker that offers 1 to 500 leverage, low spreads, small commissions, and fast execution of trades, I recommend Ultima Markets. I personally use them, and I'm very satisfied because they meet all my criteria for a long-standing reputable exchange. If you register through my link, you will also receive a 100% bonus on your first deposit. Link in the description, guys. Just a quick... Okay. So after this, you should have 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now you can close this window and go back to MetaTrader 5 under the position size. So go to Expect Advisors, Position Sizer, Position Sizer, Position Sizer, one more time, and you will see exactly this whole thing right here. This is something that we are gonna discuss later, but go to Common tab and allow algo trading. This should be checked, and go OK. And as you can see, our position sizer is already installed. After this, now you can try to executing a trade from the Trade tab. But let me tell you something. To achieve the risk to reward 2, we need to make the following changes. This is my template that I use. On the chart, you see first what position I enter with, fixed 2.15 larger take profit than stop loss, how many percent and how many dollars of the account I risk. You can do it however you want. It's just for me, this is the best because it's the simplest and it works for me. If you want, just copy the settings that I will tell you right now. Okay, right click on it, expert list, properties, and now the first one, true, 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 true. From 13 to 16, here you go 50. Here from 1 to 2.15. For stop loss value appears in take profit button, okay? And just press OK. And as you can see, okay, just close it. And now as you can see, if I place my stop loss exactly right here, should be I am risking nearly $50. That is 7% of my capital. But where is my take profit? I don't know. Let me fix this. Let's just put okay, take profit. You should put this take profit right there. And as you can see, if I am going to trade, I'm gonna place an order trade. They are gonna ask me, okay, buy, and I'm already in. And as you can see, I have already, so I'm gonna minimize, okay, I am already have my stop loss placed. As you can see, $46, 50, okay, 50, 60, 70, my take profit. And yes, that's all. So now I'm gonna close my position at small profit, okay? And going to one very important step, because if you go to, for example, this is gold. If you go to GBP USD, for example, you don't have a position sizer. So you have to right click on this, go to templates, save template, and I'm gonna name this position sizer 2.00, I don't know. And after this, you go to GBP USD, right click, go to templates, here's your template, just click it, and as you can see, you already have this template exactly right there. And you can use this template on another, and yeah, it is very easy. One important thing to mention: when using this software for prop firms, you may get some error when you reopen MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. For example, this one, I'm going to BTC USD. I'm just going to, I want just to open a long position. So I am gonna put my stop loss down there and going to trading. And you will see this algorithmic trading is disabled in the platform's options. Please enable it via Tools, Options, Expert Advisors. So I personally use funding pips, and every time before a trade I get the following error. It's a bit annoying to have to uncheck it every time, but apparently to waste time and make traders nervous, prop companies do it on purpose. That's my opinion. However, before entering a trade, I fix this error in order to enter the trade as quickly as possible and get the best desired price. If you're on a PC, the easiest way just to close it and just press the F7 button, and you will see this position sizer window. But if you're not on PC or you're on a Mac or I don't know, you go to right click on this expert list, and just a moment, and you have to go to properties, and after this you will see this exactly same window. Go to common, and you should check this allow algo trading. So after this you press OK, close, and so this, as you can see, I cannot trade again. So just you have to check this algo trading icon right here and just try one more time, and after this you should enter a position. It's a bit annoying to have to do it every time with prop companies, but if it was easy, everyone would be a millionaire. If anyone knows how this problem can be solved, I would be happy to share it in the Discord group. which is completely free, and its main goal is to bring together traders with a common goal: profitability. The link is below in the description. That's all. Thank you for watching till the end, guys. If I helped, you can subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and along with that I wish you hit the take profit. Till the next time.